Peace and black power. Peace and black power. Peace and black power. This is the Prince of Pan-Africanism. King Kong Consciousness. International Ifatunde. Most requested black scholar in the world, 10 years and counting. I am live at the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Today we begin the renovations and the restoration. I got to call Desmond too to come check this out.
Call him first, man.
Live and direct. We are here, brothers and sisters. So yes, brothers and sisters, I am here. We're starting to get some work done. We actually got a room open that we never saw before. We got a room open that we never saw before. I'm gonna show it to you. Let me peep in here one time. So this is the room that I've never been in before. First time, we finally in here. FDMG. So this is a room we never been in before. This might be the ancestral shrine. It might be my temporary office while the renovations is kicking off, brothers and sisters. It's time. It's time to get the Garvey building ready. It's time. Excuse me, that pop. All right.
Y'all got a flashlight?
I got one. You need it? So yeah, we here. We doing some clean out. Y'all see the trucks right there? We getting work done, baby. FDMG, we ain't playing with y'all. We not playing with y'all. The games is over with. The games is over with. We not playing them games. We got the lock company here. We not playing with y'all. We is not playing games. It's restoration. It's time to get it popping. All right. Day out. I got you. Sacred stone of FDMG and the sacred tree. Sacred stone of FDMG and the sacred tree. And the sacred tree, brothers and sisters. The good news is we're about to start these renovations. The good news, we're about to start these renovations, brothers and sisters. I picked up the architectural design. Thank you, black man. We picked up the architectural designs on Saturday, so we're going to get started with the small school, trying to make that pop. But we need your donations. Get on your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Get on your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Get on your Cash App, $ FDMG School, or mail it in. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. Brothers and sisters, we got to get this money up to get the small school renovated. Y'all got to do what y'all can do. If you've been doing 10, try to do 20. If you've been doing 100, try to do 200. These are major renovations. We need y'all to help us out. Okay, we need y'all to help us out. It looked like the small school is going to be approximately $400K. $400K to renovate the small school. Whatever y'all can do, we're going to do it in stages, but we want it done by New Year's Day. We're going to do it in stages. So we got the whole August, the whole September, the whole October, the whole November, the whole December. That's 5 months. 1 month electricity, another month plumbing, another month HVAC, another month carpentry, another month fire alarm system, sprinkler system. You feel me, y'all? Because if we can get it done before Kwanzaa, I want to do 7 days of Kwanzaa at the Honorable Marcus Garvey Elementary School of the FDMG campus. If we can get the campus renovated by Kwanzaa, we will do 7 days of Kwanzaa. 7 days of Kwanzaa here at the historic first ever true revolutionary Pan-African nationalist academy based exclusively on what? The resurrection of the African race, international nation building, and global economics. Yes, sir. Okay, you're going to have the key. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm back, brothers and sisters. King Kong Consciousness, we here, FDMG. I've been here since 10 o'clock, putting that work in, getting stuff together, clean up, lock up, getting that work done. I'm depending on y'all to come through with them donations. Maybe there's a black electrician who will come do the work for free. Maybe there's a black HVAC who will come do the work for free. Maybe there's a plumber who will come do the work for free. Maybe there's a fire alarm company who will come do the work for free. If we can get folks to do the work and we just do the supplies, it's a done deal. Do we have licensed plumber, carpenter, HVAC, electrician who will come do the work for free? That's the question. We'll take care of the supplies. They don't have to spend no money. You feel me? But that would help us out. Full moon, August 3rd. Queen energy. This is a full moon, so the sisters is vibing at a very high level right now. Shout out to all the queens. Shout out to all the queens and the kings, the elders, the youth, the ancestors. We working, y'all. We working. Getting these, we working. This is Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Boulevard. Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Boulevard. You see the whole campus. This is what y'all built. This is what y'all built. I didn't do it, y'all did it. Y'all did it through me, but y'all did it. I didn't do it. They go to sacred red, black, and green stone. Whenever you visit this school, you make sure you touch the stone. Take a picture on the stone and text it to me. Whenever you in Delaware, you come through the school, okay, take a picture on the red, black, and green sacred stone and text it. Pour some libation. Pour some libation at the sacred stone. Ask the ancestors and the Loas and Orishas and Netters to come and bless the campus. Okay? Good to see you, sister. Delaware people is supporting me. They behind me. We're trying to have a small school done by the end of the calendar year. Get on your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Now, this is what I wanted to tell y'all. Y'all been waiting for an announcement whether I'm going to do the 4th grade class. Is Dr. Umar going to do the 4th grade class? I don't think I'm going to do it. I think this project is going to have me so busy that I don't think I'm going to do the 4th grade class. I don't. But what I am considering doing is a teaching purely and strictly a class on Pan-Africanism for black boys. So you'll be able to sign up for that. I'm not going to take on the whole 4th grade because this school project I can already see is going to keep me busy. The school project is going to keep me busy. All right. So I'm not going to teach the 4th grade class. I'm going to wait till we're ready with the school. I'm going to wait until we're ready with the school. I'm going to wait until we're ready with the school, but I am going to do a Pan-Africanism course. Oh, there goes Sister Hanera just pulled up. Y'all want to say hi to Sister Hanera? All right. Say something to the people.
Hey, peace and black power, everybody. It's Sister Hanera. I saw Doc was live. He's sitting up here working with the contractor, so I brought him and Kev some lunch. If you guys are in Wilmington, you guys need to come support Doc. Ladies, you guys come bring him food. Make sure him and everybody is taken care of. Check out divinefeminine.net. Check out the Divine Feminine podcast. That's it. Peace and black power.
Well, the queen says she brought some food, so you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to eat Big Papa style. Y'all know how we do. I do want to say this. When the second book come out, Black Parent Advocate, my brother Kevin gave me an idea to do a book signing right here in front of the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. So the very first book signing will be in front of the school. I'm going to let y'all know when it's going to be. It'll probably be the last day of August or it'll be in September because I don't know how long my graphic designer going to take and the printer going to take to get them books ready. But the first book signing for the new book will be right here on campus. So if you live in New York, Connecticut, Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, you can drive on down. We're going to have it right outside, right in front of the school. Those of y'all who never saw the school will get a chance to see the school. And plus, you'll be able to bring your donation check. We're going to have a donation box. We're going to have a donation box. Bring your donations. Y'all feel me? If you need to reach me, you can text my cell, 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. But y'all know we got the high school and we got the elementary school. We got 2 gyms and 2 schools. 2 gyms and 2 schools. No more excuses. 2 gyms and 2 schools. No more excuses. We up out of here.